Patients spend a long time within imaging machines, and patient movement creates motion artifacts, resulting in a low-quality image, which is undetectable until the scan is complete, and often this requires a rescan. SAMM MD consists of up to 3 high-definition cameras connected to a display monitor and utilizes advanced motion detection software. This improved patient monitoring and safety can increase patient comfort. With the SAMM MD, the technologist is able to monitor the patient through the display monitor, and when the patient moves, the system alerts the tech with an audio and visual cue and automatically pauses the scan until the patient is comfortable again. This eliminates the need for a rescan. Repeated scanning can be dangerous for patients' health and very expensive for imaging facilities. The SAMM MD allows for successful, clear scans the first time, reducing the need for repeated scans and improving patient safety and facility efficiency. With support from up to 3 independent cameras and an intuitive touchscreen interface, the system enhances any existing scanner and adds a layer of video safety and security. If an accident were to occur, the SAMM MD video recording will protect the facility from liability. While the facility sleeps, SAMM MD does not. With the night and weekend mode, the system keeps a watchful eye on some of the most valuable rooms in the facility. Also, organization is the key to any smooth operation, and SAMM MD interfaces with your facility's DICOM work list to source patient IDs, keeping your files and systems in order.